And bringing in the next guest, Gilbert Arenas. How are you doing, sir?
What the fuck?
What's up?
Hello.
Hey, how's it going, bro?
How you doing? 9/11 baby goat.
Yes, sir.
Melli, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I see everybody's trying to shoot their shot, but I mean, at the end of the day, we're just as important to a relationship. So I want to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
What do you think is important to a healthy relationship?
Communication, good sex, and having some type of the same goals.
Okay. Now, what do you add to that relationship?
What do I add? Support. Whatever. Why are you laughing? Whatever.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at the comments. You keep talking.
Whatever you want us to do, we can go do it. I know guys don't really care about money, but I bring money. We can use my money. We can invest my money. We can do stuff with it. Then I'm affectionate. I'll take care of you. That's it. I'll make sure you're happy. You're taking notes.
So how much do you make a year?
Oh, I wish we had a soundboard right now.
I'm not gonna reveal that, but 100 plus.
Okay. Hey, so what is your real name?
Melanie.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Thank you for that. I like what you had to say. So you can hit me in my DM, right? I like your style. Hit me in my DM so I can,
Wait, why am I hitting you in your DMs? You're the one shooting. Why am I coming to your DMs?
I wasn't shooting my shot. I was looking for a mate.
Okay.
So you means you're the prize, not me.
I think we're both the prize, right?
Okay.
I
know you want because you expressed it. Now I wanted to see what you had to offer a man like myself.
Okay. What do you offer?
A lot.
Okay, a lot. Like what?
To be honest, I'm not the guest right now. Maybe if I'm up there.
Do you mean we are trying to date and see if we're compatible? So why can I ask you those questions?
On the next episode of.
So we can get to know that once you hit me in my DM.
I won't hit you in your DM. So if you don't DM me, that's what it is.
Pro athletes be lame and awkward as hell. They used to get by on genetics. I don't know if genetics has a lot to do with this, but yeah.
Hold on. How many minutes I got left?
1 minute.
1 minute. Anything to say, Melli?
What is it?
Do you have anything to say?
No. You say you won't hit me, I won't hit you, then it's a dead end.
Let's go, Gil. I've been waiting for this connection. So apparently this is the cameo everybody's been waiting on.
Yeah. I don't know. Somebody say he thinks he's high value.
Jesus, the comment section. All right. So Mel, I'm gonna put you on the spot. What is your critique? Yep. And don't hold back. We need clips. All right, no, I'm just playing. But what's your critique though?
Okay, my critique, I like the lighting. I can see his face, the phone or whatever he's using. The camera is not moving. He looks clean. He came prepared, taking notes, which I don't know how I feel about that. It makes me maybe a little nervous. I'm like, why? Oh, you want to pineapple me or yourself? That's what you do.
No.
Well, get the fuck out of here then. Pineapple him. May him leave.
Jesus, that is so fucked up. All right. My hands were tied. I mean, if I could say anything about Gilbert, I mean, most people know who he is. So being realistic, I mean, I don't know. Whatever y'all do or do not going on, that's y'all's prerogative. But for the sake of the show, being realistic, he's kind of the other end of the extreme that I was talking about. While other people are kind of, in my opinion, kissing your ass, he's not necessarily going about it like his ass needs to be kissed. He just knows that he's a catch. So when you know you're a catch, it's hard to be humble because you know that a lot of women would be lucky to have you. So it's kind of hard to show that humility. Does that mean that he'll be a bad guy to be with? No, not necessarily. It's just the other end of the extreme. Shit, if anything, he probably talks to women how most women talk to men. You know what I mean?
I hear, but if you're not humble, there is no way you get with me. You have to be humble. And like he said, oh, if I go after you, that means you're the prize. I'm like, I believe we're both the prize. So somebody got to do it. And I feel that since you are the man, I want you to come at least get me, at least holler real quick. You know, I'm not saying you got to do the whole thing, but you got to show me your interest.
Ideally, I think we both agree that somewhere in the middle of confident but humble is like the sweet spot. But if you had to choose one evil or the other, I would rather the guys to be more on the arrogant side than some of the ass kissery that I see on the damn show. Because the girls are already coming up with their ass tooted in the air like they farts don't stink. And you guys are just coming like, how can I get the opportunity to sniff it? Like, you know what I mean? Like, if you had to be on one evil, I would rather you be on Gilbert. But ideally, be in the middle, confident, know that you have some worth, presenting yourself like you have some worth, and then talking to her like, hey, she's just a peer. She's just another woman. You ain't got to talk down on her. Talk to her like you see her every day.
Mm-hmm.
So going on to the next person, Stacy. I don't see any lighting, and I'm afraid a dick is gonna pop out, so I'm not popping you up.
Already. We talked to him already.
Oh, we did?
Yep.
I'm glad you remember names.
Yep.
Hopefully I will. Speaking of hopefully, Hope will bring you on.